Drone photography and videography has changed the way people work today, and McFarland Johnson has been at the forefront of this technology at airports across the country. Our team of licensed UAV pilots can be utilized to map and model your airport. Whether looking to see progress on a site, measure materials to see if they fit, or looking to export high-quality panoramic images for marketing purposes, we have the staff to get the job done. Mapping and capturing your airport via drone footage can alleviate stress points for your facilities management staff. McFarland Johnson can take drone footage and have it built into accurate 3D models that can be used to test structural and environmental elements of your building. InfraSolutions by McFarland Johnson improves your strategic planning, consolidates your airport data, correlates forecast and financials, and provides scenario-based forecasting to more accurately adjust plans to help meet your airport's infrastructure challenges. InfraSolutions by McFarland Johnson improves your strategic planning, consolidates your airport data, correlates forecast and financials, and provides scenario-based forecasting to more accurately adjust plans to help meet your airport's infrastructure challenges. McFarland Johnson's extensive background in the aviation industry, coupled with our ability to foster responsive and inclusive relationships with our clients, allows us to create resilient and sustainable solutions to help solve important airport infrastructure challenges. Utilizing our knowledge and expertise, our technology division, InfraSolutions by McFarland Johnson, has developed a suite of cost-effective, cloud-based solutions and offers other technologies to help manage your data and improve your airport's decision-making process.